Hey you guys, and today I'm doing kinetic sand part 2, which is where we see the blue one, if you didn't open it yet. So let's open sesame. Blah. Get out! Perfect shape, literally perfect shape, perfect shape. Look at this, it's magnificent. How much? No! That, you didn't see nothing. Okay, as you guys can see, it's very Veralton. I always do this one with it, but wait. Anyway, I don't know what I'm about. So as you guys can see, it's very kinetic sandy. Okay, well, one more thing. Like and subscribe. Oh my gosh.